Welcome back, guys. Today we will show you how Pakistan's currency notes are made in the factory. And have you ever thought about how toothpaste is prepared? Plus, how do these cement factories actually make cement? Well, in today's video, I will show you the manufacturing process of daily life things. Chocolate, the sweet treat that everyone loves. If we talk about chocolate, it is loved by people of all ages. Whether it's a special occasion or just a craving, chocolate brings joy to everyone. In fact, no happy occasion is complete without it. But have you ever thought about how chocolate is actually made? Well, the main ingredient in chocolate is cocoa, which is grown in tropical regions. The largest producer of cocoa is Africa. And even today, 90% of the cocoa supplied worldwide is produced in Africa. After harvesting, the cocoa beans are fermented, dried, and sent to factories for further processing. Inside the factory, it is prepared in a special way. First, these beans are put into a furnace and roasted thoroughly. Roasting makes these beans completely dry, and their aroma becomes even stronger. Then, through a machine, the shell is removed from these beans. After this, these beans are put into a grinder and turned into a paste. Known as chocolate liquor, this paste is very thick. This paste is then put into another machine where an alkaline solution is added to it, which changes this paste into a liquid. During this process, the natural butter present in cocoa is separated and saved so that sugar can be mixed into this butter and turned into a syrup, which is later added back into the chocolate. Well, after extracting the butter, this cocoa takes the form of a powder. Then, this sugar-mixed butter is added back into this powder. After this, milk powder is also added to this liquid. After adding milk powder, it turns into a paste. After this, it is poured into molds and shaped into chocolate bars. Finally, these bars are wrapped in attractive packaging and sent to stores worldwide. And that's how the chocolate we all love is made.
If you enjoyed this, there's a lot more where that came from. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out. And if this video added value, show some love by hitting like. It really helps. See you in the next one.
Toothpaste. The secret behind that fresh smile. Toothpaste is something that we use every morning and night, yet few people actually know how it is made. Especially if we talk about Colgate. It is one of the most widely used toothpaste brands in the world, found in nearly every household across more than 200 countries. But have you ever wondered what goes into making it? To make toothpaste, large industrial mixers are used to blend different materials together. Some of the most important components in toothpaste help clean our teeth, prevent cavities, and strengthen enamel. When these materials are combined, they form a thick, slightly sticky paste. But one problem with this paste is that it can dry too quickly, making it difficult to use. That is why special moisturizing agents are added to ensure it stays soft and spreadable. Interestingly, these agents also have a naturally sweet taste, which helps reduce the bitterness of other ingredients and makes toothpaste more pleasant to use. Another key component in toothpaste is a foaming agent which helps it spread evenly in the mouth, reaching every corner while brushing. This is why, when we brush our teeth, we see lots of foam forming, which helps remove food particles and bacteria from our teeth and gums. Additionally, modern toothpaste contains flavoring agents such as mint or citrus extracts, which give it a refreshing taste and help in eliminating bad breath. Once the paste is fully mixed and has the right texture, it is stored in large stainless steel containers before being pumped into toothpaste tubes. These tubes are then sealed, packed into boxes, and distributed to stores worldwide. And that is how a simple tube of toothpaste makes its way to your bathroom. Pakistani currency, the secret factory behind money. Currency is something that is used everywhere in the world for transactions. Whether you're buying groceries, paying for transport, or saving for the future, we all need money. But have you ever thought about where Pakistani currency notes come from and how they are made? Most people think currency notes are made of regular paper, but this is not true. If normal paper were used, the notes would tear easily and get damaged quickly. Instead, Pakistani currency notes are made using a special type of fabric material that combines cotton and linen fibers. 75% cotton is mixed with 25% linen. This makes them durable, long-lasting, and resistant to tearing. The first step in making currency involves preparing this special currency paper, which is processed in highly secure factories to prevent any unauthorized access. Once the paper is ready, it is time to add security features which help in distinguishing real notes from fake ones. One of the most important security features is the watermark. This is the faint image of the founder of Pakistan that appears when you hold the note against the light. After applying the watermark, the design of the note is printed using high-safety ink, which is different from ordinary ink. This ink contains special pigments that change color when viewed from different angles, making it difficult for counterfeiters to copy. Each note is given a unique color and design based on its denomination, ensuring that 10, 50, 100, 500, 1,000, and 5,000 notes all look different from one another. Once the printing is complete, the notes undergo strict quality testing to check for errors. Any notes that do not meet the high-quality standards are immediately discarded. Only the best quality notes are bundled, packed, and distributed to banks across the country. And that's how the money we use every day is made. Cement, the backbone of construction. When we talk about construction materials, one of the most important materials is cement. Whether we are building houses, offices, roads, or bridges, cement plays a critical role in making structures strong and durable. But have you ever thought about how cement is made in factories? Well, this is a very complicated process. To make cement, many things are required, including limestone, laterite clay, shale stone, and red mud. First, let's talk about limestone. Limestone is obtained from mountains. For this, bombs are blasted inside the mountain to break it, which makes it crumble and come out. Then the limestone is loaded into trucks and brought to the factory. Laterite clay and red mud are extracted from the ground itself. And as far as shale stone is concerned, it is a very common stone that is easily found everywhere. After bringing these four things to the factory, they are put into a very large grinding machine. This machine is so heavy that it completely crushes these materials. After this crushed material is baked in a kiln at 1,450 degrees Celsius, which breaks the bonds of these four materials and creates a new compound. Now the perfect material for strongly binding bricks is ready. But this cement is in the form of small stones, which are called clinker. To convert it into powder form, it is put into another grinder, where gypsum is also added to this cement. Gypsum plays a very important role in cement. If it is not there, then when water is added to the mixture during preparation, it will harden quickly. But with the help of gypsum, it does not harden quickly and can be easily applied between the bricks. Anyway, after adding gypsum, the cement is ready and it is packed into sacks and sent to construction sites. And that's how the foundation of our buildings, bridges, and homes is created.